I'm most proud of opening my own restaurant, being a 3 times James Beard nominee, and also one of People Magazine's sexiest chefs in the country.
A James Beard Award, a Food and Wine Best New Chef, a Bon Appetit Best New Restaurant.
Being named Food and Wine Magazine's Best New Chef in 2011.
Esquire Best New Restaurant, Bib Gourmand mentioned.
I'm most proud of being named the Rising Star Chef's Restaurateur of the Year.
Having El Jardín be featured in the New York Times, being the first restaurant in San Diego to be profiled.
And I think that's it.
I think one of the dishes that describes me the most is my cashew ceviche.
Crawfish and noodles.
Foie gras steamed clams.
I would say that my aguachiles represent me most.
Fried chicken, specifically hot chicken.
I'm known as the Schnitzel Queen, and I'll stick with it.
I'm most excited to battle against Brooke.
I'm most excited and most fearful to battle Brooke.
Brooke Williamson.
Tiffany, Derry.
Basically wanna beat Michael.
I don't think there's any way to prepare for a competition like this. I just have to do my best and bring the literal heat.
For me, just to come in confident.
Getting your butt in the kitchen and cooking a lot, and just being ready, being used to it.
As long as Bobby doesn't give me brains or liver, I think I'm gonna be fine.
Bananas, horka, and andouettes.
The only ingredient that I would say I don't like cooking with is eggplant. It has no flavor in particular that kind of hits me in the face.
There's a Vietnamese ingredient called mamaruk, and to this day, I cannot get over the smell. It's just nasty.
I think that I have what it takes to beat all 3 Titans because I'm gonna come from a place of fun and love and knowledge.
I have the confidence to take down all 3 Titans because I have a wide range of technique and flavors to pull from.
The older I get, I think the better I am as a cook. So I'm here to win.
I've taken Bobby down twice. Now I just have to take down his 3 Titans.
If I won the $25,000, I'd buy myself a new motorcycle and I'd stash the rest for my kids.
I'm gonna donate it to an organization that helps refugees.
I want to use it to expand my demo kitchen so we can share more recipes and things about German food.
I would bring my home to the modern times. I would get a heating system in our house.
This is gonna help me with, of course, my baby.
Diapers are expensive, formula is expensive. Also, I have a lot of toys and I'm not sharing with the baby.